Here is POCOCHA Live app, which recently joined the US market. Now you can find it in US App Store, and it's in the top charts in social networking category. So yep, here it is. And it is a rapidly growing live streaming platform with 2 million plus downloads. You can watch real-time entertainment provided by different types of creators, musicians, food lovers, comedians, and other unique talents. You can support your favorite broadcaster by chatting, liking, and using items in the broadcast. You can broadcast from anywhere, participate in exciting online events, earn diamonds. Safety on the platform is ensured by the POCOCHA monitoring team. So yep, basically that's that. And let's just open the app and see how it looks like. I think this app is originally Japanese. Maybe it's Chinese, because when you create your account, you need to confirm your age and your country. So like your date of birth, rather to say. And then you can't change it later. And yeah, so your country can only be US or Japan, I think. So that's about it. So here you can see all these profiles, which are like
So clumsy.
broadcasts.
It's embarrassing.
So then yeah, you can just scroll from here, and then you can just see all of these different broadcasts. I really hope that this app is not like super scammy as some of the other video chat apps. I hope that this app is really like more high quality. So here you can just search for like specific people, then you can just add them and just follow them. There are like different hashtags. There are like hashtag broadcasts. There are different keywords which you can add. There are all kinds of notifications. Welcome to POCOCHA, the app designed to make broadcasting and watching broadcasts easy. Then you just have all these accounts which you can follow. Then you see all these broadcasters. Yeah, you can see number one broadcasters, different stickers here, daily, weekly, monthly. Then you can see your profile in top left, your profile picture. Then you can collect diamonds, coins, daily rank report, monthly report, like how high are you in the rankings for this day, I guess. You can see support points, you can see all your analytics data, like if you're a creator here. And then there is something like family, which I don't really know what that is. So the good thing, this app is not just like, some random video chat app. So family are fan groups made for the following purposes: supporting a broadcaster, making broadcasts more exciting, achieving broadcaster goals together. The maximum number of members of a family can have is 100. By joining a family, you will be able to see category rankings exclusive to family members. Additionally, only family members can add hashtags during broadcast. Family creators can appoint assistants from members of the family. To appoint an assistant, go to family settings, choose assistant. So something like that. So you can see them here. Then you have coins. I just created an account, and seems this app just gave me like 30 free coins for that. Then there is something like freeze pass. You can hold a total of 10 freeze passes or premium freeze passes, as well as total 2 freeze passes. So what are freeze passes? A freeze pass will prevent your rank meter from changing for 24 hours during the end time period in which it was used. There are two types of freeze passes: regular freeze pass and extra freeze pass, and you can just obtain them. Freeze passes will be distributed into users' accounts upon their first login of the week. Additional 2 freeze passes will be distributed in the users' accounts upon their first login of the month. So something like that. Of course, you can just go and edit your profile here. You can just click on settings, edit profile theme. You can see linked accounts. You can see all the purchase history. So all of that is available. That's interesting. Also, let's just explore like how can you create your broadcast. So you can just name your broadcast here. You can select different modes. You can tweet. Also, you can create not just not just video, but also audio podcast, which is fun. And then, yeah, I don't know what this crown is. Okay, so the crown is basically broadcast ratings, which you can discover in the app. Yep, and here. So yep, that's basically an overview, and yep, you also have stories available here in the top left part. So I can follow people. I don't know how I'm following them, probably because when I just created an account, there is some auto follow feature, and then I can see my followers, people who follow me. I can share my account, I can invite friends. So that's the idea of this app. That's how it works. Yeah, I think it's actually pretty cool, pretty interesting. So definitely give it a try. There are also all of these interesting banners. You can just go to POCOCHA blog to learn the basics. There is Twitter, Instagram. There are all the different broadcasts. I actually don't know, like, if you have this broadcast, can you also restream on Twitch, or can you create a podcast based on it, or what are additional features? And this app didn't really yet enter the like top 100 apps on social networking category, but maybe it will make it soon because it was just released in US market, and I also seen some like ads in App Store for this app. So maybe it's just the beginning. Maybe it will really become big. Seems it's not that spammy. There aren't like that much scam accounts, but yeah, to create an account, I just sign up with my Apple ID. Usually in more high quality video broadcasting apps, you also need to verify your account with some ID, and then you just have more quality of the people on the app. But let's see how it evolves. This is an app. If you like this kind of apps, definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching.